if you're like me, you want to have clean spa water at all times. I use my spa almost every day. And I was getting annoyed with having to buy individual spa chemicals. So I was looking for a kit that came with everything I needed. And the Ouster water balancing kit has everything. What it comes with is pH up, pH down, alkalinity up, and calcium increaser to control the hardness of the water. And it also comes with a pack of test strips so you know what your water needs. And it has a key on the back so you can read the test strips and it'll tell you what you've got to add. The first question is, does it work? And I would say 100% my water is crystal clear. Even if I don't use my spa for a week, I'll come back and the water will be crystal clear. So this stuff definitely works really well. Another question that people have is, does it also work for inflatable hot tubs? And the answer is yes. Actually, before I had this spa, I had an inflatable hot tub for years, and this stuff works. The next question is, how easy is it to use? And I would say very easy, because with the test strips, if you match the colors of the test strips, it'll tell you exactly if you have too much or too little, alkalinity or pH, and it's got the chemicals for every situation. So definitely useful, definitely works, easy to use. And the only other thing I would add is that I find the Ouster water balancing kit a good value. The whole kit is cheaper than buying the individual chemicals. So not only is it less of a hassle to buy them individually, it's also actually cheaper to buy the whole kit. So overall, I think it's a good value and I would recommend it.